Hello and welcome. Today I've got a very special tour for you. We're in Zagaleta and I want you to meet Villa Fairways. Villa Fairways is an Andalusian mansion with 7 bedrooms and it's set in the most beautiful location right in the center of La Zagaleta in an area known as the Island. We're totally surrounded by golf. It's set on a flat plot of 4,666 square meters. This entrance hall, with its natural light and high ceilings, sets the tone for this entire home. Elegance and comfort in a beautiful place. And really what strikes you here is, wow, look at the amount of natural light. Everywhere I look, there's a window. It's flowing into the home. Definitely one of the unique features of this home is, wow, look at this atrium. It's huge and it's completely surrounded by golf, views, green. Wow, I feel like I'm in a paradise. Also, what a great place for the kids to do their homework. You can do the cooking, keep an eye on them, because after all, this is a family home. We've got 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. What a great kitchen. It's got ample space. I love the island. We've got the breakfast nook, formal dining, and easy entry straight from in the hallway. So let me explain a little bit about the distribution of the house. Upstairs we have the master suite or the main suite, and here I have 3 bedrooms all en suite, and in the lower ground floor I have another 3. One of my favorite things in an Andalusian home is there's always a couple of bedrooms which go straight out to the swimming pool. So I would imagine there'll be a little bit of arguing as to who's going to get these 2. The gardens and the pool are definitely a standout feature of Villa Fairways. It's not very often you get such a flat plot, privacy, and you've got an amazing pool. I can nearly jump into it right now because it's actually very hot today. At the end of September, we're still in summer. These beautiful terraces and this garden is just so inviting. You can just imagine yourself enjoying a wonderful time here. There's something about sitting here. It gives you such a peaceful feeling. It's so quiet up here. You can hear nothing other than the birds and of course the gardeners, but that's not every day. I just love these Andalusian terraces. I think it's one of the nicest things about this style of home. La Zagaleta is not only one of the most exclusive estates in Spain, it's also the most secure. I've been selling properties here for over 15 years, and I am still amazed at the level of security when we arrive, and it's what everybody wants: privacy, discretion, and to be safe. Living in Zagaleta is a very special experience and I love it. It's one of my favorite locations and I think it speaks for itself. You can just take a look around. From this angle, you really start to understand just how impressive this house is. It's an amazing property. Let's have a look in the main suite because it's the entire upper floor. It's a very big one with its own fireplace, which I think is a very nice feature. But this is something really beautiful, your own private terrace. This is what I love about this main suite. This gorgeous terrace and being able to overlook everything and just take a breath.